There are two ways to ask somebody where they were born. Informally, Káiceann do rugadh tú, or formally, Káiceann do rugadh sibh. Pay attention to the long vowel in Káiceann. Make it a clear ah sound at the back of your mouth rather than the front of your mouth. Listen to the difference. Káiceann do rugadh tú, as opposed to Káiceann do rugadh tú. The answer will start with the same verb in the same tense. Make sure you change the personal pronoun accordingly. Now complete the sentence by adding the place name. You can look up the translation in the Vakhuurbek online. Make sure you click the box Le Animanaatje. Otherwise, the place name will not appear. Now check if your place name has the definite article the in front. There are now three potential answers. 1. If there is no article the in front, you have to use aunen, as in aunen alaba, aunen mulle. Notice that un changes to in front of words starting with M, B, F, or P. The second one is when there is the article the in front of the place name. For instance, Aans en Tuain, Aans en Rang, Aans Gàidhlig. Notice that this is the dative case. And thirdly, we have place names which indicate a plural. Hence, we will have the Gaelic article the in its plural form, na. For instance, Aans na Hinshigen, Aans na Staatje Neunichtje. Listen to the following dialogue examples. Káiceann do rugadh tú, rugadh mian an alaba. Káiceann do rugadh tusa, rugadh misha an a mulle. Káiceann do rugadh sibh, rugadh mian an rang. Káiceann do rugadh síobse, rugadh misha an sa Gàidhlig.